Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Mama Kisa.
Yay!
Yay, I love you. Oh, now this is birthday girl. How old are you, Ma? 87 years old. She is 87 years old. Here, my mama. Today is birthday. And then her sister, Tia Beta. My cousin is Nimpa. And my sister, Janet. Fighter for the colon cancer. Very good job. Oh, mother, happy birthday. Where's Tata? Tata, show me your face to Lola. Greet to Lola. Di. Ah. Di. Luyu. Happy birthday. Happy Lola Kisa. Happy birthday to you. Sophia is sleeping. Yay, birthday girl.